Yo, what is up, everyone on YouTube? It is your boy Scott Kicks. I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I much appreciate love and support. Today, I'm doing another sneaker unboxing video. This box just showed up in the mail today from Exclusivity Canada. Exclusivity is a sneaker consignment store based out of Ontario, and they also have a website. Now let's get into these shoes. I haven't ordered from these guys in the past like few years. I actually found out about them through a buddy of mine. He orders from them sometimes, and he's like, "Oh, they have some pretty crazy sales sometimes. Like you get like Jordans on sale really cheap sometimes." And I did buy a pair of the Pantone Jordan 7s for $150 on sale once. I bought the alternate motorsports for 150 also. I think I've only ordered from them twice ever. I had forgotten, that I had an account with them, and then a few days ago I was like, you know what, let's try ordering, but I totally forgot all my like account stuff, so I had to contact them, and I had to make another. I was stuck between making another account or resetting all my logins and all that stuff. So I fixed all that, and they wouldn't let me order otherwise. So I had to fix everything, and then I was finally able to order these shoes. But let's get into it. I got these for only $100 on sale. Retail was 165, I believe, plus tax. Alright. If these are what I think they are, then let's see. Let's get into it. Okay, so they sent me a tracking list in the box. It says exclusivity, and the one they shipped them from is from Montreal. And this is a pair of Air Max 90s, and it's just it says all sales final, no refunds or exchanges, and it's just like the proof of purchase, and to show like this was a tracking information, and uh all that's like shipping method stuff and whatnot. So we don't need that. Put that off to the side. Alright. Now, here we are. This is your typical Air Max 90 box. It's just the red and white Nike box. And it says Air Max 90. Now, this colorway is crazy. When I saw it online, I was kind of hesitant on it. It has some colors on there that I'm not really fond of. But when I saw the price that I was getting it for, and the last pair that they had in stock was either 8.5 or 9.5. And if you guys didn't know, in all Air Maxes that fit a 9.5. So I got the last pair of 9.5s that I had in stock for only $99.99. Taxes in, I paid $115, which isn't bad. The colorway is called University Gold Black, and suggested retail is $160. And let's get into it. Let's see what these look like. I've seen pictures of them online, but I've never seen them in person. Ooh. Here we are. The Air Max 90 University Golds. Now, these are crazy. Like, I don't like the color yellow. I'm trying to get comfortable with it now. I don't like orange. I don't like green. I only like green if it's like a forest green or olive green, but these are crazy. Like, it's probably the loudest pair of Air Max 90s I've ever bought. It's got your royal blues. It's got your like kind of pink, almost magenta colors. You got your white, you got your gold, you got your yellow, got the black, you got the white. It's just crazy. Oh, and they also come with white laces, and on the insole, the insole's black, and it has purple Nike Air logo on it, and the outsole is that usual Air Max 90 outsole that everyone's used to, and it has a little hit of like royal blue in here, and then it's black, and then it's white. Got the clear air unit that everyone loves on the Air Max 90. The sock liner is also gold. And then on the tongue, it's a gold neoprene tongue. No, not neoprene. Nylon. Sorry about that. And it is just pops. Like the gold really pops on these. And then it's got that they did a like classy air, like the classic Air Max 90 tongue tag, the nylon tag from back in the day, and it's got a white background, and then it's got the royal blue Nike logo on it, and then in gold it says Air Max underneath. You got the really nice soft gold mesh toe box on it. And then it's got the black Nike swoosh on the side here and here too. And then on the other shoe, same thing carried over to this. Most of the shoe is in this gold mesh. And then you got a really soft and nice suede. And this pink. And then you got it in the royal blue. And then the swoosh on both shoes is also, I believe it's either like a neoprene, or it might be like nylon, or it might be suede or something. I'm not too sure exactly. They use different materials on shoes sometimes. And then the same outsole, black and white with a little head of royal blue here. You got the clear air unit on both sides. For some weird reason, these have a lot of excess lint on them when they shipped. I don't know why, but it's okay. Happens sometimes. And same thing. It's got the white laces. No, there's no secondary set of laces, unfortunately. You got the white. I know. Got the black insole with a purple Nike Air logo, gold tongue with the blue Nike logo on it, and then white background and gold writing says Air Max underneath. Other two, I know I should have done more detail. I'm not one of those sneaker YouTube guys, like the big popular guys like Bullet RC and all those guys out there. Hopefully I will be one day, eventually. But I'm just doing what I'm comfortable with. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I'm just doing what I can to get this content out to you guys as soon as possible. I've been waiting on these to come in the mail. I don't make content before the item comes in the mail. So I wait for until I have it in hand, and then I will make the content on it. But that was my video for today, guys. Much love. Take care. Love you all. Keep supporting, liking, and commenting down below. Y'all be easy. I'm in, I'm out. Peace. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.